So here's a comment from Wayne. He says he's been playing with CapCut and noticed that he could add a speed ramp and reverse video, but he couldn't do both within Filmora. So anyway, I think I've got an idea. Let's try it out. I think you can do it. Okay, so we have a sports clip here where the person right here receives the ball, dribbles in, and makes the shot. Let's just listen to that. Buzzer goes off, and the shot's made, so the shot's good. So let's go ahead and speed ramp that, and let's add a custom speed ramp. And what we're going to do is, I think we'll go ahead and speed up some of the earlier ones here. We don't need this many, so we can delete that one. And okay, right about there. Let's take this one over here, and then let's go into slow-mo mode. So we've ramped this up here, and maybe we'll speed it up right where the ball goes in. Okay, so that's the first part of it, and so we have our speed ramp. Now, what Wayne is saying is that if you go back here and you now hit reverse speed, you're going to undo the speed ramp. Just show you what actually happens. Okay, the speed ramping is still there. We go to uniform speed and we do reverse speed, and we can see that we just undid the speed ramping. There's no longer any speed ramping. So let's see if we can do Control Z. And let's look at our speed ramp again. Yeah, it's still gone. So we will redo that. We've kind of recreated the speed ramp effect again. And we will just lengthen that a little bit. So how can we get around not losing that and still making it go in reverse? What I would do is I would right click on it, and I would simply create a compound clip, and I would say OK. Now that I have put that motion, I've captured that motion into the matching compound clip, I could go to uniform speed and I could hit reverse. And I still have my speed ramping, only now it's playing backwards. So that's the slow-mo, and there's the fast forward. And we just did it. So the secret was to go ahead and apply your speed ramping, make it a compound clip, and then go ahead and add speed ramping to the compound clip.